Micharen Leleid class, that's good morning in Rotuman. Today we are going to learn some common Rotuman words. Exciting, eh? Are you ready? Let's go. O means yes. O, yes. Inket means no. Inket, no. Fingalele means please. Fingalele, please. Berngleleid means good night. Berngleleid, good night. Micharen Leleid means good morning. Micharen Leleid, good morning. Noa'ia means hello. Noa'ia, hello. Ate means eat. Ate, eat. Mose or mus means sleep. Mose, mus, sleep. Leumea or leum means come. Leumea or leum, come. La'a or la means go. La'a or la, go. Veh'ia or veh means finish. Veh'ia, veh, finish. Imo or iom means drink. Imo or iom, drink. Songi or sung means hungry. Songi or sung, hungry. Fu'uo means goodbye for one person. Fu'uo, goodbye. Pei means sit. Pei, sit. Fu means stand. Fu, stand. Takanga or takang means bed. Takanga or takang, bed. Choni or churn means run. Choni or churn, run. Seke or sek means walk. Seke or sek, walk. Hanisi or hanis means love. Hanisi or hanis, love. Well done, class. Give yourselves a round of applause.